Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to log into your Picsart account on your mobile device. To log into Picsart on your mobile device, first of all, download and open up the Picsart application on your device, and in the login area, go ahead and choose a login method. Picsart offers multiple sign-in options, that is, login with Google, login with your email, Facebook, Snapchat, Apple account, etc. Simply go ahead and choose a login method. I'm going to choose the continue with Google option in today's video. Simply go ahead and follow through the prompts now and sign in using your account's credentials. After entering the correct credential for your account, Picsart offers both free and premium features. The free version provides a robust set of tools, while the gold subscription unlocks additional assets and advanced functionalities. You can go ahead and choose one of the plans and subscribe for gold plan on Picsart, or you can also go ahead and use the free version. Allow access to your device's camera library so that you can start editing your pictures right away. And that's how you easily sign in to your Picsart account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next episode.